Alrighty. Hi there, it's Jack Davis here, going to do my audition for Furnace to Fields. In the message I sent to you, Bryce, well obviously you know that I've got a bit of a cold still, so my voice isn't fully up to scratch, but hopefully I can pull this off. I'm doing Come Thou Fount, so yeah, let's see how we go. Come thou fount of every blessing, tune my heart to sing thy grace. Streams of mercy never ceasing, call for songs of loudest praise. Teach me some melodious sonnet, sung by flaming tongues above. Praise the mountain fixed upon it, mount of thy redeeming love. And here I raise mine Ebenezer, hither by thy help I've come, and I hope by thy good pleasure safely to arrive at home. Jesus sought me when a stranger, wandering from the fold of God, he to rescue me from danger interpose his precious blood. Thou fount every blessing, tune my heart to sing thy grace. Streams of mercy never ceasing, call for songs of loudest praise. Teach me some melodious sonnet, sung by flaming tongues above. Praise the mountain fixed upon it, Mount of thy redeeming love. Alrighty, thanks for listening. And yeah, as you could probably see, it was a little bit rough. Some of that's because of the cold, and some of that's because I'm still learning to sing. But anyway, hope you like it, and yeah.